Hello, in this video we show you the location and how to remove and replace the coolant temperature sensor on Volvo S80 with a 2.4 liters petrol engine. The thermostat on this car is located on the top of the engine. It's located right there. And just underneath the thermostat is the coolant temperature sensor, which is right there. And this is the wire for the coolant temperature sensor, which is going to the electrical connector here on top. To replace the coolant temperature sensor, first you need to remove the thermostat. But before removing the thermostat, first we need to drain the coolant. To drain the coolant, first we're going to open the coolant tank cap. Next we're gonna go underneath the car and drain the coolant. There is a place on the radiator where you can drain the coolant. The place is in that hole right there. This is the hole right there where we're going to turn this plastic knob, and we're going to drain the coolant. To turn the knob, we need size 13 socket, with the long extension probably, and just turn it until there is coolant starting to come out of the radiator. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now we're going to wait for the coolant to drain, and then we're going to close the radiator cap. Next we're going to remove this electrical connector for the coolant temperature sensor. Next we're going to remove the metal clamp that's holding this coolant hose to the thermostat. Now that the coolant hose is removed, we still can't get access to remove this coolant temperature sensor. To remove the temperature sensor, we need to remove the thermostat. Here I show you a way of removing the coolant temperature sensor. First you're going to cut the wire. After you cut the wire, then we're going to put socket size 19, and we're just going to remove the coolant temperature sensor. But afterwards, in order to install the coolant temperature sensor, it's very difficult to do that. So it might be much easier to just remove the thermostat. Here there's the coolant temperature sensor out, but now, like I said, if you want to remove, or if you want to put on the new temperature sensor, you're not going to be able to. Next, we're going to remove the two bolts holding the thermostat. But before removing the two bolts, first we're going to remove these plastic covers because they're in the way. And now we're going to remove the two bolts holding the thermostat. That's the thermostat housing out. And there's the thermostat right there, which we're going to replace. First, we're going to put on the new coolant temperature sensor. This is the coolant temperature sensor that I'm using and the part number. First, I'm going to install the coolant temperature sensor and tighten it, and then we're going to put on the thermostat. Now we're going to put on the new thermostat. This is the part number for the new thermostat, and this is the new thermostat. Now we're going to put on the thermostat housing, put on the two bolts and tighten them. Next, we're going to connect the electrical connector for the coolant temperature sensor. Next, we're going to put on the coolant hose and tighten the clamp. Afterwards, we need to fill the cooling system and bleed it, and then we're done with replacing the thermostat and coolant temperature sensor. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.